this all system, which is coming left bank of right now if you are sitting, it comes to right bank. All the irrigation command areas, which is outside FP1, this comes from Balochistan command, and all comes like, it should goes like that. This should go in MMB drain. Again, we were 3,000, 2,000 something cubic water coming from this way and joining the hill terrain water, and should go to the other. It will distribute it. It will be less pressure on MMB drain. And the capacity of all the drainage which is coming from the different channels, is it pointed out? Yes. It will have all the drain which is coming from the irrigation system of Sakhar Barrage, will be Sakhar and Gudu Barrage will be dumping over here. Balochistan है ना?
वो जो बाहर की बंद अंदर.
This is third. Yes, this is third drain coming up and entering this. What tells it from 0 point, the channel comes out and enters.